Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use XML files in Capcut. XML files are incredibly useful for transferring project data, like all your edits and effects, between different software, or even within Capcut itself. This feature allows you to recreate complex video timelines with ease, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. We'll go through the entire process, ensuring your XML file is perfectly compatible for a smooth import experience. Before importing, it's crucial to prepare your XML file correctly. First, export your project from your original editing software as an XML. Then, take a moment to verify that its structure aligns with what Capcut expects. Sometimes, certain effects or transitions might not be directly supported, so you might need to convert or adjust these elements beforehand. This preparation step is vital for a successful and error-free import into Capcut. Now, let's get that XML into Capcut. Open the application and look for the Import Project option, usually found in the main menu or project creation screen. Select your carefully prepared XML file from your device. Capcut will then work its magic, processing the data and reconstructing your entire video timeline. After the import, always take a few moments to review the project, checking for any small discrepancies or missing elements. Even with careful preparation, you might encounter a few hiccups. Common issues often stem from format mismatches or missing media assets. Always ensure all your video and audio files are accessible and correctly linked to the XML. Keeping Capcut updated to its latest version can also resolve many compatibility problems. If you're facing persistent issues, try importing a smaller, simpler XML file first to pinpoint the exact source of the trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.